Well, today we're at the Largo Nature Preserve, and see what's what today. The temperature is only 83 degrees, so we're going to take advantage of it. And now if you factor in the real feel, it's only 82 degrees, so, you know, big difference. Right, pond scum. Okay, where's all the birds?
Yeah.
Looking for the birds. Not those birds.
Yeah.
There we go. I know, I feel the same way there, buddy. Well, I guess that concludes our short walk for today.
Yes.
Even in the low 80s, it's hotter and more humid than hell.
That's true.
Although hell has a temperature normally of 93, 94 degrees, but it's a dry heat. So, but it's hot.